Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Devika Ayekpam, Assistant Professor in Sociology Program, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati. So today we are going to talk about health. So let's see what is health. Health is considered as an important part of human life by all communities, but its concept or the meaning differs with each community and each individual in a community depending upon their socio-cultural and environmental conditions. It is also seen that the concept of health change over time depending upon scientific and socio-economic developments and advancements. Definition of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This definition was given by World Health Organization. So it means that their health is not just the absence of disease or infirmity, but it is the complete well-being of all aspects, physically, mentally, and socially. Going further to the definition, three types of definition of health seem to be possible and are used also. The first is that health is the absence of any disease or impairment. The second is that health is a state that allows the individual to adequately cope with all demands of daily life, implying also the absence of disease and impairment. The third definition states that health is a state of balance, an equilibrium that an individual has established within himself and between himself and his social and physical environment. So when it comes to the health, it is not only the physical body that is important, but the social and physical environment is also equally important. Historical overview of health. In the 5th century BC, Pindar defined health as harmonious functioning of the organs, emphasizing the physical dimension of health, the physical body, and the overall functionality accompanied by the feeling of comfort and absence of pain. Aristotle also talked about the health. He emphasized the necessity for regulating the relations in the society to achieve harmonious functioning and preservation of health of its member. So when we talk about the health, it is not only the health of a particular individual or a particular member, but we have to look from all aspects as the member of the society, because if one person is infected and there is chances that other person can also be infected, so it's not only about one person, it's about all the aspects of the society, all the members of the society. Democritus connected health with behavior, wondering why people pray to God for health, which was essentially under their own control. Hippocrates explained health in connection with the environmental factors and lifestyles, because the way we live, the way we proceed with our life also affect our health in various factors. Also, equally the environmental factors also plays an important role in connection with the health. Hippocrates was the creator of the concept of positive health, which depended on the primary human constitution. We consider it today as genetics. So he was talking about genetics, diet, and exercise. He thought that proper diet and exercise were essential for health and that seasons changes had a profound effect on the mind and body, resulting in different types of predominant diseases during the winter, respiratory, tract diseases, and during summer, digestive tract diseases. Historical overview of health in Middle Ages. In Middle Ages, health perception was strongly influenced by religion and the church. After Roman Empire fell apart, the church was left as an only important infrastructure providing care for the people and collecting the knowledge on remedies. Example, herbs grown in monastery gardens. Before and all, people used to use medicinal herbs for treating diseases. So herbs was also important and it was found in usually in the monastery gardens. So they gave importance more to the religion or the church. During the period of industrial revolution, health became an economic category, which was to allow good condition and working ability and reduce lost work days due to illness. Accordingly, the value of health was such an enabling economic profit because after the industrial revolution, people started working in the industries, and when you work in the industries, you they will not pay you if you take a leave. So even if you take a leave because you are sick or ill, it doesn't mean that you will get a salary for your for that particular day. So you have to lost that one day salary because of the sickness. So it becomes as a uh, in terms of the economic aspect. The health was intertwined with Darwinian understanding of strength and being the fittest, where meaning of life was tied to physical survival. When it comes to the modern concept, all modern concepts of health recognize health as more than the absence of disease, implying a maximum capacity of the individual for self realization and self fulfillment. This should equilibrate the human inner forces and possibilities with the feeling of pleasure or dissatisfaction in their relations with the environment. So here it's clear that we don't only particularly focus only on the physical health, but also the importance of the self-realization and the self-fulfillment, and also the relationship with the environment. Social medicine and public health approach to health advocate that we should not only observe the health of the individual, but also the health of the groups and the community as a result of the interaction of the individuals with the social environment. Here we can give the example of the pandemic that is going nowadays. Because of the infection of one person, then it is spreading to other members of the community also. Sometimes it also leads to community transmission. So public health is as well as important, and it is important to the society also, and so we should not take care only of one particular individual health, but the health of all the members of the group or the all the members of the community. Recent development. For the past few decades, there has been change in the concept of health. Health is considered as a fundamental human right. It is also considered a social goal to be achieved by all to lead economically productive and useful life. This goal is particularly known as Health for All, which was adopted by World Health Organization in 1977 and accepted by all the member countries. India also adopted this goal of health for all since then. The concept of health also varied among various professional groups, example medical scientists, social scientists, environmental scientists, etc., which brought about changes in the concept of health. So this is all about the concept of health. Thank you.